Hi everyone, this video is going to be about how to trade gold in the year 2020. Let's go! How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Pity from Instock Trading, and today's video is going to be about how to trade gold in the year 2020. So before we get started with today's video, let me just remind you that today's video is going to be like a brand new trial. We're going to teach people on how to trade on normal currency other than auto trading software. So it's going to be like a kind of trading academy kind of thing. So stay tuned. Do let me know if you like it or not. But before that, let's do the usual. If you are interested to know more about day trading, auto traders, which auto traders to trade with, which auto traders not to trade with, or any other money making softwares, do not forget to hit the like button for this video and the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Welcome to today's video, everybody. Like I told you at the beginning of this video itself, today's video is going to be a trial video. I've not did a video like this in this channel before, but I think that this is something that I should definitely do in the year 2020. I should actually teach you how to trade the basic steps, of course, even before getting into the auto traders, because mostly I talk about auto traders and I touch a little bit here and there about trading as well. But the overall method of trading is something that you should know. So we are going to teach A to Z, like something very basic stuff that you should know regarding trading, that you can actually use that particular experience to trade even without the help of auto traders. But why do we use auto traders in the first place is to make everything get as easy as possible. So the best auto traders that I would definitely recommend you is the Crypto Masterboard. Without any doubt, this would be my biggest recommendation when it comes to the auto trading software. In fact, it is the only auto trading software that I am currently using in the year 2020. So if you want to get yourself into the Crypto Masterboard, it's still working. It has been working for more than a year right now. I've been using it from last year. It was my favorite auto trading software the year 2019. I've been using it still. So if you want to get access to Crypto Masterboard, all you got to do is just go ahead, clear your cache and cookies. Once you have done that, go to the description of this video. There's a link stating Crypto Masterboard. Click on that particular link and you'll be led to this particular page where you can actually go ahead, sign up, deposit, verify account, and start trading with the Crypto Masterboard. So let's get back to today's video. So today's video, we are going to talk about trading gold. When we talk about trading gold, this is not something which is very brand new. In fact, people have been trading gold. Gold has been used as a commodity to trade even before the existence of currency, even before foreign currency, forex, and whatever, all this kind of thing came into the picture. People have been trading gold. So gold has been a very valuable commodity. So therefore, people are been making money with gold from even the old traditional times. So people are making money with gold these days, but they are using gold as a trading method. And how do they trade with gold? It's pretty simple. They use a currency pair which we call as XAU/USD. So the XAU is the currency for gold, and usually we use gold against USD. So this is how we actually trade gold. So basically now you know how gold is and you know what kind of currency pair they use to trade gold. The next thing is, how do we trade gold? For that, we have to go and see the charts on gold. So this is the day chart on gold, as you can see, from the year 2019, from the year 2017, 18, 19, and then now it's in the year 2020. So as you can see over here, if you take a look at the trend of the chart always will have a bearish trend and then it will have a bullish trend, if you can actually see it. So this is actually a quite a long trend. As you can see, this bullish trend started in the year 2000, January of 2016, and it lasts until December of 2016. It took somewhere around, oh sorry, it took somewhere around 6 months for this trend to be there, and then there was a bullish trend over here, a bearish trend over here until the December 2016, and then it started back with a bullish trend over here until April 2018. So if you take a look at the trend of gold, it's always like that. It has always been in a bullish trend or a bearish trend. Now, the mistake that people often take is they try to predict the movement change of gold. And for example, now let's take from June 2019 up to 2020. So as you can see over here, it has been a very nice bullish trend until July, and then they had a small bearish trend, and then back to bullish up to over September 2019. So the thing is, what people tend to do is people tend to predict where that it might change the momentum from a bullish trend into a bearish trend, or from a bearish trend into a bullish trend. And this is a biggest mistake that people usually do when it comes to gold. So when it comes to gold, you have to know that the game change, to predict the game change is very hard. To predict the momentum is very hard, and a lot of traders actually fail when they try to predict the flow of the gold, the change of the momentum of the gold. So the best thing that I would highly suggest you to do is, rather than determining yourself when the gold is going to change the momentum, you got just to follow the trend. For example, let's say that you placed a buy trade over here somewhere around May 2019 up to September 2019, you would have a very high profit over here. Look at that. Look, from here up to here, in just less than 6 months, you would have a huge amount of profit if you just follow the trend of the gold. And if you just leave it until 2020, for example January 2020, you would have a bigger profit even. So gold are usually used as a long-term trade system. If you can trade gold on day trading as well, but if you want to trade gold, I will prefer you go the traditional method. You know, people just go ahead, last time they just go ahead and buy gold, and then once they buy gold, they keep the gold for some time, and then they go ahead and sell the gold and the price is high. So you got to do the same method as that. You got to keep it for some time. So long-term trading works very well with gold. So what I will suggest you to do is, when you want to trade gold, keep in mind that you have to do long-term trades as well as just follow the trend. And trust me, the trend can be very long. For example, from June 2019 until January 2020, it was a bullish trend. Not only that, this trend actually started in the year 2018. So you can actually see that the trend can actually go quite some time. So let's see a bearish trend over here. So this was started at July 2016, and it went until December 2016. So the trend will go quite some time. It can go very long term when it comes to gold. So be in a favor of the trend. Don't try to predict the momentum change. Don't try to predict the change of the trend. In fact, try to be in the favor of trend, because most probably will not know when it is going to change. So another strategy that you can actually go ahead and do is, one of my favorite strategy that I like to do is the pullback. When we talk about the pullback, it's something like this, and then like this, and then like this. So this one over here, so you know that there's a trench over here. So somewhere around here, this is a very good pullback. So what happens is, this particular point over here is where I will usually go ahead and place a buy trade. So this is a very good point to place a buy trade. Sometimes it might continue to go something like this, or sometimes it might just be like this, and then it will not reset at all, so it will keep going up. So if you actually place your trade somewhere around here, the trend will start going on a bullish trend and it will keep on going. So these are the points that you can actually go ahead and place your trade with. So the resets won't be there, and this is the best method that I usually do. I use the pullback method. So there's actually a lot of methods that you can actually go ahead and trade the gold with. We're not going to explain everything. Basically, this is a very basic video, and this is the first time we are doing like this in this channel. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question and stuff like that, it's going to come in the later part. The thing is, let me know whether you enjoy this video or not. If you do enjoy this video, what we can do is we can go in depth of how to trade gold, and we can talk about when you can put the stop loss, how to put the take profit when it comes to the gold, when to enter the trade. Like I just showed you a sample on how to enter the trade, but I'm going to show you a very depth sample on how you can actually go ahead and enter the trade on the real time and all these kind of stuff. So do let me know. And before we end today's video, this might look a little bit complicated for you if you're a first-time beginner. So this is why we actually go ahead and use auto trading software. Auto trading software will actually help you to initiate the time when you will actually enter the trade and when you will actually exit the trade. So by knowing the time that when you will enter the trade and when you will exit the trade, combined with your basic knowledge of the gold, you would be making a lot of money. So if you intend to join the Crypto Masterboard, all you gotta do is go ahead, clear your cache and cookies all time. Once you have done that, go to the description of this video. There's a link stating Crypto Masterboard. Click on that particular link, sign up, deposit, verify account, and start making money. We have reached to the end of today's video. If you have any question regarding today's video or any doubt regarding today's video as well, or any other videos in our channel, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, or in alternative, you could actually go ahead and email us at apsocialhouse@outlook.com. Don't forget, you can also go to our Facebook page and drop us a private message there. We will reply all your messages, all your emails, all your private messages ASAP, and we always do it as soon as possible. So make sure that you know what you're doing, and remember to invest safely always.